Steve, this bill is highly controversial and it has a good chance of becoming law here in the state. But we discovered from the local level all the way to DPI that these controversial issues are not being taught in our kindergarten through fourth grade classrooms across the state. What are your children learning in school? Some North Carolina lawmakers want to make sure sexuality is not a part of the curriculum. Senate Bill 49, also known as the Parents' Bill of Rights, would prohibit sexuality, gender identity, or sexual activity from being taught in kindergarten through fourth grade classrooms.
Sexuality and gender are not taught in K through 4 classrooms.
Tamika Walker Kelly is the president of the North Carolina Association of Educators and a former elementary school teacher in Fayetteville with 13 years in the classroom.
It is a bill that continues to undermine the professionalism of educators in making sure that we know how to have appropriate conversations with our students.
Wake County Schools and Cumberland County Schools both shared that K through 4 students in their districts are not being taught about sexuality or gender identity. The districts follow the North Carolina Standard Course of Study, which is approved by the North Carolina Department of Public Instruction and the State Board of Education. DPI said their standard course of study does not include any of those topics in grades K through 4. This bill would also require schools to notify parents before making any changes to the name or pronoun used for a student in school records. This would apply to students in all grade levels.
It aims to silence kids that may be exploring their sexual orientation and gender identity.
Kendra Johnson is the executive director of Equality NC. She said even the introduction of this legislation could impact LGBTQ students.
It feels as if our legislators are bullying kids and teachers and social workers in schools when they all should be working together to address the mental health crises. I guess it's easier to solve a made-up issue than it is to tackle the real problems.
So is this a real problem? I took my questions and concerns to the original sponsors of that bill, wanting examples of where in this state sexuality or gender identity are being taught in kindergarten through fourth grade classrooms. The senators did not respond to my question. In Raleigh tonight, I'm Janice Price, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
Let us know what you hear from here. Janice Price, downtown tonight. Janice, thank you.